Refresh rate, measured in hertz, indicates how many times per second your Sceptre monitor updates its display. Understanding this concept is essential for optimizing your monitor's performance. Common refresh rates include 60 Hz, 75 Hz, 120 Hz, 144 Hz, 165 Hz, and 240 Hz. Higher refresh rates provide smoother motion and reduced input lag, significantly enhancing gaming performance and overall visual experience. Sceptre monitors are categorized into three main series. Budget series offering 60 to 75 Hz for basic use, gaming series providing 144 to 165 Hz for competitive gaming, and professional series featuring variable refresh rates for specialized applications. The first method to change refresh rate is through Windows Display Settings. Right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings, then Advanced Display Settings. Choose your Sceptre monitor and click Display Adapter Properties. The second method uses your graphics card control panel. For NVIDIA users, right-click the desktop, open NVIDIA Control Panel, navigate to Change Resolution, and select your desired refresh rate. AMD users follow similar steps through AMD Radeon settings. The third method uses your monitor's built-in OSD menu. Press the menu button on your Sceptre monitor, navigate to Display or System Settings, find the refresh rate or Hertz option, and select your desired frequency. This method works directly on the monitor hardware. You now have three reliable methods to change your Sceptre monitor's refresh rate: Windows Display Settings for system-level control, Graphics Card Control Panel for GPU-specific optimization, and Monitor OSD menu for direct hardware adjustment. Choose the method that works best for your setup. When your desired refresh rate isn't available, the most common issue is using an incompatible cable. Different refresh rates require specific cable standards to function properly. Outdated graphics drivers are another common cause of refresh rate issues. Always ensure you have the latest drivers installed for your NVIDIA or AMD graphics card. To avoid performance issues at higher refresh rates, ensure your system can actually output the required frame rates. Check your power settings and monitor GPU temperatures during intensive usage. Higher refresh rates demand more from your entire system. Your GPU, CPU, and RAM must all be capable of handling the increased workload for smooth operation. Current trends include widespread adoption of adaptive sync technologies like FreeSync and G-Sync, which eliminate screen tearing and provide smoother gameplay. Higher refresh rates are becoming standard even in budget monitors. By following these troubleshooting steps and optimization techniques, you can ensure your Sceptre monitor operates at its maximum refresh rate potential, providing the smoothest possible visual experience.